Greetings. I hope everybody is fine. So today's tutorial is about how to make an acoustic type of rhythm. So basically an acoustic type of version means that using the same song, let's say in this scenario, let's say you had a song already which was fully produced, but you wanna perform it acoustically, naturally, because maybe there are certain instruments which are not there, because acoustic version of the song will mean that all the instruments there are going to be unplugged actually, without even using amplifiers and all those kind of things. So you could have an acoustic piano, you can have acoustic guitars, yeah, that's it, and even acoustic bass, yeah. However, even if it is like that, you can still use some reverb here and there to apply just to create that room and all those kind of things to give it that life. But the instruments will be done acoustically. So that's the meaning most of the time. That's the meaning of acoustic version. So here I don't have any song that I can produce acoustically, but I'll just create an acoustic rhythm. So I'll use stock plugins only. Actually, one plugin, this is Flex, because all what I need is there. So we are going to have fun here. Saying, yeah, because this has been a play to somebody has been asking me how make acoustic. So I respect each and everybody. It can be one person, but I really respect that. Saying, otherwise, I hope you have been doing well. I've been so much up and down to finalize everything regarding my album, which is going to be out on 3rd September. So, yeah, watch out, it's coming. I hope you're going to enjoy it and support your boy. Blessings. So, without wasting your time, let's get into the tutorial right away. Created the tempo here, 82, this is the BPM. And I'm using Flex. In this Flex, there is this, because we are just trying to create that scenario. So I'm going to use this acoustic piano. I doubled it because the other take will do other things. And then there is bass here. This bass is also coming from Essential Bass guitars, and this is the first one. It's a good bass. And then I have a Yamaha. This is the scenario where we have a piano. So also coming from Flex. You see what I mean? So basically we got it. Okay, so because the tempo is there already, like what I said, let's check what we can do. Yeah, so this is the progression. Okay, so basically this is the progression. Let me just check. Let me fix these chords here. Okay, so So we have the bass line like this. Make sure, because this bass, mid bass, you need to be very accurate. You should have the picture of a live bass playing in your head, so you know how these notes, some notes can sustain, certain notes cannot sustain. So you should have all that kind of picture when you're working on a acoustic, something like this. Just spiced up because there are less things, so yeah, something like this. Yeah, so basically that is it. So you can arrange your creation and see what you can get. So let's say we want to arrange this one. It would be something like this. Something like this. See, if I had an acoustic guitar, I would have done it acoustic with acoustic guitar as well. But let's do in a scenario where you just don't have all those kind of instruments. Should you fail to do something, so that is where most of the time I advocate that you cannot fail to do something simply because you don't have certain tools. As long as you have your FL Studio, you can do something. There are a lot of good stock plugins that you can use. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so basically this is the arrangement that you may have, and that is it. So let's just throw this on the mixer, just highlight them, remove what is not used, and yeah, just put to the mixer like this. can create your reverb channel and add your reverb. Let's say I want to do this first and then add reverb. So this is drive signal, something like this, and then link this reverb to this controller here. So it's one way. I like this way because you just said it, so accept. So whatever is gonna happen is gonna be darkening this. You can check here, you can check what is happening here. So it's darkening, the reverb is not coming out so bad. Okay, just try to do some EQ. So yeah, and add a multi-band compressor. So again, what I can do again is just to just because for the sake of studio stuff. But if you're in a live scenario, you would not do this basically. But just let's say because we are in studio, I'm gonna do something similar like this. Same acoustic here, and okay, let's just fix these notes. Again, that's all just one step. Okay. Yeah, so basically this is it. This is what I prepared in this tutorial. I hope you have gained something from there. If you are new to the channel, my name is Willie Wills, record producer and musician. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If so, that's great. You can leave a comment, share, like, and also subscribe, just to support the channel. Blessings, blessings. Yeah, if you want music production services, I am available anytime. I'll leave my email address in the comment section. We can work. I'm excited to work with everybody across the globe, And the most important thing is make good music out there. Let's try to push. Reggae is a journey that can never fade. It's a journey that can never fade. I want you and me to be one of the pioneers of this journey, apart from the legends whom we know already, who are doing great from Jamaica, all this, Europe, everywhere. So yeah, blessings, blessings. Thank you so much.